Hello, I'm Dr. Manoj Kuriakose. We have been declared as the fourth country in the world with the maximum COVID cases. We are fourth because we do the least number of testing compared to other countries, otherwise, we would have surely been number one. Fear is all around us. We have taken for granted the very air we breathe around us all our lives, which now, unfortunately, cannot be trusted anymore. We are covering our faces with masks, we are using sanitators, and we are not going out primarily because there could be COVID infection in the air. What do we do in such a situation? Like I said earlier, caution is the only way forward. We need to live sensibly and take care of our elders and those with underlying conditions. I'm sure most of you own a home in your village or you own a farmhouse. Why not move the older people and those with underlying conditions to the village? Let me tell you some advantages of moving to the village. Trust me, right now, the village is the only place where the air is safe because there are less number of people there and where social distancing can truly be followed only in a village. For those of you who are working from home, why not invest in a good internet in your village and work from the village? Your spouse, if possible, can also work from the village. Your children are anyway having online classes. And they will not just continue to attend classes in the village, but they will experience the connect with the nature. They will experience the smell of the earth, especially during the monsoons. They can get wet in the rain, walk barefoot on the ground. They can have true organic food, a lot of area to play and run around, all of which will only help them improve their immunity. This could be the best chance for you and your family to go back to your roots and experience village life, which I'm sure has helped most people who have grown up in their villages. Give it a thought. You will be working for about 8 hours at your job. The rest of the time can be spent outdoors with the family. You could also help the villagers and the village with your intelligence. And maybe you can help them financially too. Those who are working outside India, anyways you are working from the home. Give your company an offer. Tell them to pay you half the salary if need be. But you will work from your village. Imagine how much you can contribute to your family, your village, and in turn, your nation. You will now argue about non-availability of hospitals close to the villages. My question to you is, have people in the village not survived for centuries? That to the older people? Under the present situation where COVID infections would be the maximum in hospitals, the older and dear ones are better off without visiting a hospital. Trust me on this. As more and more cases are being reported, we are doing everything that is possible from our side to help. All those of you who have not had the homeopathic preventive, please make sure you take them. The immunity drops which we have been developing is also now ready. And with the present situation, I would recommend a combination of weekly preventive and a daily immunity drops for the next 3 months. It can be taken for all ages and it can be taken along with any other medicines. Make sure people whom you know also are aware of this and pass it on to them too. If you do come across anyone positive for COVID, please contact your nearest homeopath. They will be able to help. I'm happy to say that I'm already treating a few cases of positive cases and they are responding extremely well to homeopathy. Take care all of you and stay safe.